Doing a $2 unboxing versus a $100 unboxing. So this is the $2 unboxing, not that much debt. Verification, black, white, green or blue. What is this crap? Probably cheap. I'll sell it for 20, probably $5. Bargain. Oh, I'll sell this stuff in a set. Oh, let's make a quick video. Oh, yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Eat you. Alright, that's a pretty good fit. There's not that much stuff in that one, but what are you doing? Right there. $100 in back there. Let's see this. See this stretchy thing? Stretchy piece of shit. Alright, it's pretty good. But I don't think it's worth $100. There's this basketball. Like this thing just wants to stay in basketball. Subscribe. And, oh shit, this might be like $20. Oh, there's a napkin in here. What is this last thing, guys? What the fuck? What the fuck, guys? Hold up, let's get a better angle. I was expecting a cheap like box, but look at this. You can play some Fortnite on this if you wanted to. Like Mongrel at 7 a.m. in the morning, mate. Oh, hold up. Man, there's 10 max next. Alright, we gotta take our reviews, Gotta take our reviews. Let's do this. My opinion. So, my review on this product. The $2 one was pretty fancy. And, but I think it was $50. Like, it came with a $100 tablet with a keyboard, mouse and keyboard, and some other stuff, but I don't remember. But I would definitely recommend those bags. It came in a box, but I unwrapped the box, so yeah, I would recommend getting those bags. It's called 2-bag mystery set. You have to put like $52 before $2 in a $50 one. I think that's a bargain, guys. If it's not me, then I think that's a bargain, if you know what I mean. But we're gonna just say the goodbyes for this video. I have some more videos coming up, alright. Bye.